Welcome to this introduction of Millistream Trader. Millistream Trader is a web-based display product with the user experience of an installed software. Web-based has a lot of advantages. You don't have to do any installations or upgrades of software. Everything is saved in the cloud and accessible from any device. You can run it on PC, Mac, Chromebooks, tablet, or mobile as long as it has a web browser, but the user experience is best on a larger screen. It is entitlement-based, so information and features are based on the entitlements enabled. Depending on your screen size, you can zoom in or out to fit Millistream Trader to your screen. The workspaces are built for 1920 by 1080 resolution. You can also create your own workspaces tailored to the screen resolution you prefer. You can also use the Trader in full screen. In the Settings menu, you can choose language and theme amongst other settings. Millistream Trader comes with some ready-to-use workspaces. In all the windows, you can choose which information to be displayed. Right-click on an instrument to get more information or set an alarm. Click on Settings and choose the information you would like to see for the specific window. In the menu bar, you can find more information about indicators, shares, news and press releases, derivatives, exchange-traded products and funds. Millistream Trader also comes with some ready-to-use workspaces. You can change all workspaces, including the pre-built ones, and you can easily build your own workspaces. You must save the changes you would like to keep. You save by right-clicking on the Workspace tab or use File in the top menu. Just press Ctrl F5 if you have any problems with Millistream Trader. That will clear the web browser's cache memory. You can find more instructional videos under the Tools menu.